Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a piece of equipment that bridges the gap between a home kitchen gadget and a professional workstation. This is the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop, and if you have ever struggled with the inconsistency of a standard electric coil stove, this might just be the upgrade you have been waiting for. When you take this out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. Unlike those cheap, plastic-heavy burners you find in most stores, this unit features a heavy-duty stainless steel housing. It feels substantial, and it is rated to support up to 100 pounds, which tells you right away that this is built for serious work. Let us talk about performance. This is an 1800-watt machine, but what really matters here is the internal circuitry. Most induction cooktops are designed for quick bursts of heat. The ChangBERT is designed for continuous duty. It uses a unique power control technology that keeps the internals cool even during long cooking sessions. I tested this for an extended period, and the low-noise heat dissipation is genuinely impressive. You get 9 preset power levels and 18 temperature settings, ranging from 120 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of the expanded magnetic coil design, the heat distribution is much more even than what I have seen on other portable units. It effectively eliminates those annoying cold spots in your pans. Safety and certification are where this unit truly separates itself from the competition. It is NSF and ETL approved and meets UL commercial standards. It has even passed drop tests that ensure it can handle the rough environment of a commercial kitchen. For the home cook, this translates to peace of mind. You get auto pan detection, overheat protection, and a surface that remains relatively cool to the touch since the heat is generated directly in your cookware, not the burner itself. Now, for the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the ease of control is a major win. The tactile key press buttons are responsive and reliable, even if your hands are damp or you are wearing gloves. The 10-hour timer is a fantastic addition for long-term simmering or braising tasks that most portable burners just cannot handle. Cleaning is also effortless because food simply does not burn onto the glass surface. On the downside, because this is a commercial-grade machine, the footprint is slightly larger than a cheap dorm room hot plate. You are sacrificing a bit of counter space for that industrial durability. Also, remember that you must use induction-ready cookware, which is a standard requirement for this technology but worth mentioning if you are still using aluminum or copper pans. In conclusion, the ChangBERT is a powerhouse. It is overkill for someone who just boils water for tea once a week, but if you are an avid home cook, a caterer, or someone who needs a reliable secondary burner that does not quit, this is a top-tier choice. The combination of stainless steel construction, consistent high-power output, and professional safety certifications makes it a standout product in a crowded market. If you are looking to bring restaurant-quality heat control to your own kitchen, this is a solid investment. Link in the description.